Hello! Welcome to Travel Smart Seniors. What if I told you there's a place where millions of flowers bloom all at once, and it only exists for a few short weeks each year? Welcome to Keukenhof Gardens in the Netherlands, one of the largest and most spectacular flower gardens in the world. Let's get started. Be sure to stick around until the end. I will give you more information about getting there and the very short window in which to see this beautiful place. We arrived early in the morning, just as the gates opened, and within minutes, it felt like stepping into a living painting. Everywhere you look, color, symmetry, and incredible attention to detail. Each year, more than 7 million flowers are planted here, covering nearly 80 acres of beautifully designed gardens. And what's amazing is that all of it is completely reimagined and replanted every single year. The displays are created in partnership with more than 100 Dutch flower growers, making this not just a garden, but a showcase of the entire flower industry. The gardens are divided into themed areas, each with its own personality and style. Some are bold and vibrant, others are soft, elegant, and peaceful. With over 800 varieties of tulips, you'll see colors and shapes you didn't even know existed. We found ourselves slowing down, taking it all in, and just enjoying the experience. Along the way, there are little surprises that make the visit even more enjoyable. The historic windmill offers one of the best views over the surrounding tulip fields. Nearby, you might hear the cheerful sound of a calliope drifting through the gardens, adding a bit of old-world charm to the experience. And of course, no visit is complete without stopping for some classic Dutch fries. Simple, but absolutely delicious. If you have a little extra time, you can even take a quiet boat tour through the nearby canals for a completely different perspective on the fields. And just when you think you've seen it all, the indoor pavilions take things to another level. These rotating exhibits feature everything from orchids to elaborate floral arrangements that feel more like art than nature. There are many informational signs and even some live demonstrations.
Old bulb, which you put in the soil, the leftover. Okay. And these are the new ones.
Each year also brings a new theme, so no two visits are ever quite the same. The real magic doesn't stop at the gardens. Just beyond Keukenhof, you'll find vast fields of tulips in full bloom. These fields are part of the Dutch flower industry, where tulips are grown in long rows, each one a different color or variety. The patterns you see from above aren't accidental. They're carefully planned for both harvesting and visual impact. It's one of the most iconic landscapes in the Netherlands, and seeing it from the air is something I won't forget. Keukenhof is located just south of Amsterdam and north of Rotterdam and The Hague. Getting here is surprisingly easy. You can take a train from cities like Rotterdam or The Hague to Leiden Central Station, and from there, it's a short bus ride directly to the gardens. There's also convenient bus service from Amsterdam, making it an easy day trip no matter where you're staying. One thing to keep in mind, Keukenhof is only open from mid-March to mid-May, with peak blooms usually in April. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information about visiting. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this visit to Keukenhof, don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next adventure.